In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a debit or a credit card to your Google Pay account on an iPhone. Google has recently changed where they allow you to add these in an update and have made it a little confusing when you're choosing between adding to monitor an account or a card and then adding one to use as a payment method. So we'll take a look at where to find it for the payment method. And again, you can use this to add either a debit or a credit card. To get started, make sure that you're up to date on the Google Pay app and then open it. Once inside of here, just scroll down a little bit until you see the activity section. We want to skip the link an account button here that you'd think you'd want to choose, since we don't want to add an account just to monitor it. At the top of this section though, instead choose manage accounts. Again, skip the link account section here in the center, and instead look at the payment methods section at the bottom. Here you'll see a list of the accounts that you've already added if you've done any at all. We want to add a new card for purchasing, so at the bottom, choose Add Payment Method. Once you're inside of here, add all of the info from your card. Again, this can be a credit or a debit card. You can enter the details manually here with a keypad, or you can choose Scan Card and then take a picture of your card, which will automatically fill all the info in. After you enter your card details, make sure that your personal info is correct below that. If the name doesn't match what's on your card, you can go ahead and tap the pencil here and then change it. Next, make sure that your address matches what's on the account too. And again, if it doesn't, tap the pencil and then enter the correct details. When you're finished entering all the info, read the privacy policy here and then scroll down and hit Save at the bottom. After you do that, you'll get a confirmation screen, and then you can automatically enroll your cards into cashback programs. You can take a look at this and read up on it, but when you use Google Pay at select merchants that offer cashback programs, as long as you use a card that's enrolled and accepted, you'll go ahead and get those. So again, read up on it, but you can easily enroll them now or wait for later. After that, you'll see that your new debit or credit card will be listed inside of the payment methods inside of the accounts menu, and you can use it in the future for card payments using your Google Pay account. And that's how you add a debit or a credit card to your Google Pay account on your iPhone.